You're probably overpaying every time you hit buy it in the next 3 minutes. I'll show you which exchanges actually have the lowest real futures fees, how to cut them further with lifetime cashback, and the one setting that quietly saves high-volume traders thousands. We'll compare maker versus taker across top platforms, then run your numbers through a crypto fee rebate calculator so you see real costs, not brochure math. Stay to the end. I'll reveal the most overlooked toggle that slashes effective fees again. Maker equals limit order adds liquidity gives lower fee. Taker equals market or instantly filled limit gives higher fee. Average fee is not what you pay. Effective fee is what matters after rebates discounts. Why does cashback exist? Exchanges share a slice of trading fees with affiliate IB partners. We rebate most of that commission back to you, a win-win for users and partners, so your effective fee drops on every fill. Here's why I route through rebatefeed.com instead of hopping tab to tab. Best available sign-up bonuses, curated and updated. Lifetime fee rebates, cashback across many exchanges. A crypto fee rebate calculator, spot and futures. To preview base gives cashback gives effective before you trade. Let's keep it concrete. Say futures maker fee is 0.02%, taker 0.06%, cashback 30%. At $100,000 volume, maker fee $20 gives cashback $6, gives $14 effective. Same volume taker, $60 gives cashback $18, gives $42 effective. Scale to $1 million and that gap becomes $140 versus $420. Order type is not a detail, it's your P&L leak. Spot isn't free either. Base 0.10% becomes 0.07% with 30% cashback. Some platforms offer token fee discounts, for example, pay fees with their token. Always check stacking priority, token discount versus cashback policies change. Your fee cutting routine, go to rebatefee.com. Pick an exchange, grab the bonus plus lifetime rebate link. Open crypto fee rebate calculator, enter your monthly volume and order mix maker versus taker. Lock in the account, trade, and keep the rebate running. High frequency or large size traders feel this instantly. A 30 to 40% lifetime rebate turns tiny BPS into 4-figure monthly savings. Even casual traders get compounding benefits over time. That overlooked toggle? Default to limit entries wherever strategy allows. Many traders click market out of habit. Switching to Maker First Execution Plus lifetime cashback cuts your effective fees dramatically. Ready to stop tipping the exchange? Hit https://www.rebatefee.com/ to get top exchange links with max sign-up bonuses and lifetime cashback. Then test your own numbers in the crypto fee rebate calculator. Fees, bonuses, and stacking rules change. Always check the live terms. Futures are risky. Leverage magnifies gains and losses. Comment your volume plus order style, and I'll run your exact effective fee in a follow-up.